Subway is on the verge of getting cancelled, as the kids these days call it. Subway has been receiving backlash after a Georgia store put up a joke dwelling on the very sensitive Titanic research submarine implosion which killed 5 last month. Outside the Subway shop, there was a sign saying, "Our subs don't implode." This didn't go well with the internet, and people started calling it distasteful, a dumb way to go viral, and tacky, to name a few. The sign was taken down right after. What do you think? Let us know, and for more updates, stay tuned to Noello.